Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the double-sided ornament mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and then double click on the Pixlr X option. Then we'll click on Open Image to open the mockup. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open the original size. And then now we just want to add the image to the mockup. So we'll click on this little icon with the mountains and the sun that says Add Image when we hover over it, and then click Browse to find your design on the computer. And it's going to add the design right on top of it. You might need to size it down, so just hold down the Shift key and click and drag any of the four corners to size it. And then when you think you've got it about the right size, when you hover over it, you can see this tool with the four arrows, the Move tool. Once you see that, you can just click and drag the image into place. And you notice how the background's really white and the ornament's kind of off-white. So we can fix that by clicking this little three-dot icon in the upper left-hand corner of the thumbnail icon on Layers panel. And that'll bring up the layer menu, and you'll see under here where it says Blend Mode, we can change this drop-down menu from None to Multiply. And that'll get rid of the bright white background so that the design looks more natural. And then if you needed to, you could repeat those steps and add a design to the second side of this double-sided ornament mockup. And then when you're done, you can just click this Save button on the bottom. If you're going to use this on a website like Etsy, you're going to want to save a version as a JPEG for the thumbnail. So we'll just click JPG and then change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high and then click Download. And it's just going to let us know that the image was saved to the default download folder. It'll also let you know how to change where that folder is if you want to do that. And if you want the original layered Pixlr document, you can just come back here a second time and click Save again. And then this time click PXD and then click Download it again, and it'll download the full layered Pixlr document. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPEG version of the double-sided ornament mockup. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.